Greetings and welcome back to our channel. Recently, I received this dream. I did it, and I am so proud that right now, while sitting here, while studying in my room, I wake up, I could literally see this a bookshelf where there are books that matters to me, books that let me dream, books that can change and uplift and heal and help me, myself, and a lot more, right? So, this is something very important in my life. And let me tell you a story before we begin the tour. Approximately 3 years back, I wasn't a reader, a serious reader like I am right now, and I didn't know what book to choose, how to recommend even. And I did write, but I read less. So I was like, I want to know more, and I really wanted to have lots of books. The shelf idea came a little later, but I really wanted to have lots of books, read a lot and all. And right now, when I look back 3 years back, I'm very grateful and proud of myself also. I'm very grateful because looking back, I see that there are so many things that transformed right now, and there are so many things that have changed and made me feel proud of myself. So I'm forever grateful for everything that has happened. From a girl who was insecure, from a girl who had dreams but didn't know how to achieve it, she did it. She conquered it. And there are still more to achieve. But yes, I'm proud of myself for being here right now, for being present in this moment, and for being able to do what I love to do in the way that I really admire. So let's begin. And just one reminder I want to say is this is just a small tour, and I don't have much books right now. So as I'm building it, let's see from the beginning, and I'll update when the bookshelf is filled with more and more books sooner, hopefully. So let's begin. This is my Instagram ID, Stalwart Girl Creates. You can follow me there. And there are two chords here. There are more chords with me, but I could just take two. I have a lot to edit here. And straightly we come to the bookshelf above it. So this is how I have slightly decorated it. I'm not a creative person in these kind of works, so just decorated it with some fairy lights. That's what you call them, I guess. So let's open. The top ones you see, the topmost layer contains books which I have completely read. So there are two more books that I've kept like that, and that's the recently read. And here there are my TBR. Here the lower layer consists of my TBR and Harry Potter series, which I hope so I'll begin next month, hopefully. And these are my TBR list. Some of them are gifts, some of them are brought self gifted. And in the red list, I have tried to make it in a color code, but yet I have to change some books to there and here. Sooner I'll do that, and I'll update it here soon or on Instagram. So do check out my Instagram. And in the topmost part, do you see something very special which makes me feel so proud of myself and which makes me remind of achieving the biggest dream of my life? Yes, I do have few more biggest dream, but this one holds a lot of dreams. I mean, a lot of emotions and memories and many things, because being an author was my biggest dream since ages. And when I did it, I knew that I started to fly, and I want to fly higher, and I want to take you with me while I'm flying. So that's why I share my ideas, I share my words, I share everything that could heal you in any way possible. So now let's take a closer look at the books that I've read. So here you can see there's one more book, and here it goes. Here it goes. And then when we go here, we can see That's Homebody there, and Milk and Honey, and you can see there. And then here we go, this is my class 12th graduation trophy, and then Harry Potter series, and then we come here with every other books here. So these are the red ones. Hope you can see it clear. And these are the ones on TBR list. I actually came to know about what a TBR list is little later, because as I told in the beginning, I didn't know what a TBR list, or I was confused about fiction, non-fiction, self-help, poetry, and every kind of thing, every kind of genre, I guess. So I was like, when now looking back, I feel so proud of myself to own these many, and therefore, whenever people say I have a lot of TBR and they get stressed so much, I feel I have TBR. I have books to be, like, to be read later also. I have them. I'm very happy that I never get stuck like after reading, and I don't have books. I never feel that anymore. I'm so happy for that. Obviously, you should not keep TBR like that and just not read. You have to read, you have to continue reading, have a routine, and read well. Do not force yourself to read, because whenever you force yourself, you are not enjoying the art of reading. Any kind of art, do not force. Any kind of art, never ever force it, because when you force it, you are not going to enjoy it, or you're not going to learn from it. So I guess whenever you feel to read, whenever you feel it's the right time to read, or whenever you feel that reading helps and heals, then begin to read. Then start to read more. And do check out my Instagram for book recommendations. And if you have any doubts, do not hesitate to DM me and ask me for book recommendations. And also, there is a video that I have done, not recently, I guess, a few months ago, where I describe, where I discuss, and where I speak a lot about the books that I love, books that I admire, and recommend a few to you people. So, the link I'll share in the description. Do check it out and do read them. There are a lot of books that I still have to recommend, and there are a few books that I've recommended on my Instagram, and like as I said, a few in that video. So do check, and do check my Instagram, and do let me know what else shall I bring it up here, and stay tuned for more Bookstagram videos, books. Thank you for watching till here. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. I hope you did all these right. So stay tuned for more, and take care. Being yourself is amazing. So, thank you for being you.